Alright, so today, just going to be attempting to grind this. First time grinding, so we'll see what happens. Safety first.
So I'm going to be using the 120 grit. I've used 120 grit in the past on many things. When I was winning sheet metal, I used 120 grit for the majority of my finishing and other things, but it's also still gritty enough to grind away the material, but soft enough that it doesn't leave huge gouges like 60 or 80. So as you always hear me say, I'm no expert, I'm just a beginner, but when you're watching me grind here, I'm also feeling for the temperature of the metal as I'm grinding, because in the off chance that I would grind it so much it would get hot, that could cause the hardness on your steel to get weakened and you could cause issues with your blade later on. So I am only grinding so hard as to keep it below hot to the touch. You know, it's more like a warm to the touch. So something I missed getting here, and if you pause the video you can see that I actually profiled it to have more of a, I'm not even sure, like Bowie knife dip in the front, because I thought it looked better than the more rounded curve like spear point look. So I missed that profiling a little bit here, and I think I also missed that this belt now is at 200 grit to really smooth it out and give it a smoother overall finish before I go into the polishing on my grinding wheel.